mobilize the whole organization across the entire enterprise to rethink how we do things with AI to better serve our people and to better serve our clients. This is going to be the most transformative thing that's ever happened in business.
Microsoft is absolutely core to it and underpins everything that we do across audit, advisory, tax, and legal.
Bringing Copilot to where our people are doing the preponderance of their work day to day has really been game-changing for us.
We're using 365 Copilot across all parts of our organization. When we start to take a look at our digital transformation, our finance transformation, our HR transformation, taking a look at our clients' current environment, identifying where there are improvements, enhancements, way to create value.
I think about what we've been doing from a KPMG employee experience for ourselves and for our lives, and the enhancement, empowerment, creativity, productivity. It just extends beyond that to everything that we do into the marketplace.
Working with Microsoft has really allowed us not to bring AI as a standalone to our workforce, but really integrate it in everything we do. Everything that we're doing is really investing ahead of where we think our clients are going to be, so that we can understand, learn from that, especially in a market that's moving so quickly, and learn from those kind of lessons and bring those to our clients as part of our offerings.
Microsoft brings tremendous credibility when it comes to their knowledge and ability to drive technology at scales. And KPMG brings the industry knowledge, it brings the context of driving AI in the organization. And when we talk to our clients together, our clients really value our perspective and the advice we can bring.
With Microsoft to make sure we have a consistent set of capabilities to create agentic technology, making sure that they're commercially viable, we can expand them globally.
KPMG was built for this moment of transformative change, business change enabled by technology. We are dramatically changing how work gets done, and that's the vision we're working towards, and actually working with Microsoft on how that vision comes to be.